Storm's Tech channel here, and today I'm doing a video about the Cricket Icon 4 for Cricket Wireless. So this is a new smartphone for Cricket Wireless. So this is the 4th generation of the Cricket Icon. So this is pretty cool. So y'all guys can get it now for $199.99, and it's available in the icy blue color there. So pretty nice there if you guys are looking for an exclusive phone, the Cricket. This is the phone right here. Y'all guys can see the phone right there. Tape drop notch, front facing camera there. Earpiece above that, power button, volume keys on the right side of the phone, and you guys have a you do have bezel there on the bottom. Alright. So yeah. So this is the Icon 4. So that's the right side of the phone, like I said, power button, volume keys. And you can kinda see the camera stick out just a tiny bit there in the back. And what do you know? A single rear camera. Yeah, this is a budget phone, I get that, but a single rear camera in 2022, that's just ridiculous. Most budget phones have 2, 3, or 4 cameras on the back. This one only has 1, so keep that in mind. You also got a camera flash, fingerprint sensor on the back, and your Cricket logo. And it says it's like an icy blue color. It's kind of like a bluish, grayish, silverish color. So yeah. Y'all guys can pay $19 a month at 0% APR with the phone for this phone. Y'all guys do have the option. I don't know why y'all guys would pay monthly for it. I don't know why y'all would, but it's there if you guys want to. So the Cricket Icon has a 6.5-inch display, 13 megapixel main camera. That's only one camera in the back, 32 gigabytes of storage. Accessory experience shows stopping performance with the Cricket Icon 4. Taking every detail on the massive 6.5-inch HD Plus display. Stay connected to who matters most with the long-lasting 4,000 mAh battery, and enjoy the personalized security features of the Android 12 operating system. Features: a large screen smartphone to watch your favorite movies, videos, and to video chat with family and friends. The Cricket Icon 4 offers an ultra-large cinema-sized display for more viewing and less scrolling. Videos come to life on a 6.5-inch HD Plus display with a sleek, ergonomic, and durable design in icy blue. Alright? Take your photos to the next level with the awesome camera features of the Cricket Icon 4. Icon 4 has a 13 megapixel rear and 5 megapixel front facing cameras, along with enhanced features that allow you to capture every memory in stunning studio level quality. Alright? Spend more time streaming, gaming, texting, and less time worrying about battery life. Stay connected while at work and play with the Cricket Icon 4's long-lasting 4,000 mAh battery with battery saver mode to extend use. Specs: like I said, this is a budget smartphone, so the specs will reflect that. I will have to scrub here just a bit. So it does have Android 12, which is very nice, which is a version behind that because Android 13 is now out. So Android 12 is now one version behind, but still pretty good nonetheless. Dimensions on the Cricket Icon 4: 6.57 inches height, 3.1 inches width, and 0.34 inches depth. Screen size, like I mentioned, 6.5 inches HD plus 720 by 1600 pixel resolution with scratch resistant glass. 3 GB of RAM, 32 GB of ROM with micro SD card slot. So take advantage of that. Wi-Fi connection is 802.11, ABGN and AC mobile hotspot, USB Type-C for charging, and Bluetooth 5.0. rear camera, 13 megapixel camera with flash, 5 megapixel front camera, 2 GHz quad-core processor, 4,000 mAh battery, and then there's your hearing aid compatibility there for the phone. Alright. So there's any accessories for the phone, and they do got a couple of accessories here like phone cases and stuff like that. So you guys can see they got like phone cases and screen protectors and whatnot. This is probably gonna be your best bet to get accessories for this phone for the time being, so keep that in mind. So yeah. So there you guys have it. The Cricket Icon 4 is now available at Cricket Wireless for $199.99. So if you guys are looking to get a budget smartphone, here you guys go. And yeah, it's a budget phone, so you do get what you pay for here. So yeah, so if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. It bless me a whole lot. Peace, rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.